search engines. Now, media. Media, we're just going to leave it as yes. Taxonomies. When you have a blog, for example, I will show you a blog. All of the blogs go into a category. If you don't put them in a category, they go under uncategorized, but everything goes into a category. Now, most people do not add anything to their category pages. So I will open a new tab and go to his categories, and you can see that there's nothing in here except for the one I put in news. So let's click on view that. This would be the category page, and then blogs would be posted down below. Since there's only one blog here, there's only one blog listed. This page, however, creates duplicate content. It's supposed to be easy for users to see all of the blog posts in a specific category, but all of this content is the same as the blog post content, this is exactly the same. So what we need to do is we need to choose to show this out of search engine results. I tend to remove the articles and page, and then you can just paste that in again. Search phrase separator excerpt. Again, if you want to add, if you just want just erase it and copy what you need. I can't talk. Show SEO settings for categories. You can hide or choose this. Most of the time, most people don't edit the SEO settings of their categories because, again, we don't want them to show in search results. If, however, you have content above your category page that you want ranked, then you would go ahead and optimize that content and then turn this on to yes. But most of the time we just say no. Tags. So if you're using tags in your blog posts, and I'll go back here and hit click this and then hit edit post. If you use tags, and they are listed here, that is good for users to use, but not good for search engines to use. So again, we're not going to show them in search engine results. We're going to paste the same thing just to keep things kind of consistent, and then move on. Post format, same thing, just going to hit disabled. Category URLs, we're going to click remove. And what this does is it removes the word category out of the URL. So when you click here and then go to the news, there's usually a word, literally the word category is listed there. So we're just going to make sure that it's removed. That's all that does. Go ahead and click Save Changes. I'm trying to go kind of quick here, so there's just a lot to explain. Archives. Author archives we're going to disable. Archives are a full list of posts based on the author, the date. This is duplicate content, so we're just going to disable it. It's not search engine friendly. Data archive settings, we're going to disable this as well. And then go ahead and hit Save Changes. Special pages, this is like pages that can't be found. You can have anything that you want here. This is mostly left the same. If you want to say, oops, wrong page, not found, you could just change the setting here, and that will be the title of that page. We are going to skip breadcrumbs and leave them disabled currently. It is done by the theme. And then we're going to go to RSS. What this is right here, this post link appeared first on, this is canonical. So if somebody takes your information and copies it off your website, this gives you credit back to your post. You can add stuff up here. Most of the time it's pretty fine. So if you want to add something up at the top for RSS feeds, you can just paste post link, copy blog link, and then paste that there, and then hit Save Changes. In an effort to save time, I'm going to speed up through this process. This process is actually fairly easy. Copy and paste all of your social media links in here. Facebook, This allows you to have a default image. So if we hit upload image and then click on the logo, just in case Facebook can't find an image, it'll always use the logo of the website. Twitter, same thing, a summary with large image. I tend to like that one. Pinterest, click on this link, confirm your Pinterest code, and then hit save. These are all the settings that you should change within Yoast. Tools allows you to import and export Yoast settings. The bulk editor allows you to edit all of your pages in one kind of fell swoop. You can click Start SEO Data Optimization. This just optimizes the data on the website. It's actually fairly easy. It'll do it automatically during updates. But that's it. This is iAgent website teaching you how to set up Yoast SEO. This should be done on every single website from us. And the reason why we don't do this, we just don't know your area or how you want to market it. There's a lot of options that you can change. But if you follow this, this will help your site with rankings. One more final thing is that under General and Features, there is the XML sitemap. If you click on this, then you will be able to see your sitemap, which is right here. And this is the information that you paste into Google Search Console under sitemaps. You could post either one of them separately, or you could post this entire one and it will still grab all of the content on your website. This is something that you should do. It's fairly easy to do that, and that might be in another video. Thank you for watching and have a good day.